Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're looking to add a modern and interactive horizontal scroll effect to your website using the Framer, you are in the right place. And in this tutorial, I will walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a smooth horizontal scrolling section. So this is very perfect for your portfolios, galleries, or your product showcases. So the first thing you need to do here is, of course, first step in creating a scrolling container is, of course, open the Framer website. And then there, you just need to start a new project or open an existing one. So here you'll be able to see here this one. So on this left side, guys, you'll be able to see here the page, the section, the navigation. So we just need to add first a page. For example, that is this one. So I am going to add a landing page here. And then by this one, guys, this is my I'm just gonna delete all this section, and then I will be going to leave the first page. So you can adjust the height for your every page, guys, depending on you. So here I'm going to delete this section, and this will be the only page. Then here you just need to tap on the new page, and then you will be able to see there a insert button. And here you can adjust the height here, guys, depending on you. So what you need to do here is you need to go to the insert or the plus button and then select a frame. So resize the frame to the height you want your scroll section to be. So here you can increase the width of the frame to be larger than the viewport. So here, guys, you'll be able to see this part. So what you need to do here is you are going to add a container here. So as you can see here, guys. So here, guys, let's fill this container with content to scroll. So here you just need to add here, guys. So click inside the horizontal scrolling frame. So here I am just gonna adjust here, guys. So still depending on you, guys. So I'm having a hard time on adjusting this one, guys. So what you need to do here is you just need to Control V, and then that will be copied all. Right after that one, guys, you just need to choose the stocked option, and all of this image, guys, will be put or will be on stack. So here I am just adjusting this one. So once you're done, guys, you just need to click inside the horizontal scrolling frame and then add elements like image. So for image, guys, it is for a scrolling gallery. And then for the text block, for a storytelling section. And then the buttons is for call to action elements. And then the videos, it is for an interactive effect. So here, I am adjusting this one onto a horizontal or a vertical, guys. So depending on you. So here, just look for this one. So here, on this left panel, guys, you just need to adjust the direction depending on you. And then what you need to do next is you can tap on this one, and then I'm just gonna put here an image, guys, or a color, so we can add here more interesting view. So here, guys, you need to arrange them in a horizontal layout using the auto layout, which is you can tap on the Shift plus A, so to make alignment and spacing easier. So you can enhance the scrolling experience with a smooth animations, guys. So you need to select the scrolling frame. So you can go to the prototype mode and set up a drag gesture or a scrolling trigger. So here I'm just also gonna edit this one. So still depending on you, guys. And then what you need to do here next is adjust the ease in and ease out curves for a smoother scroll effect. So here you can choose a color depending on you. And then you can test your scroll effect, guys, by previewing the page, which is on the upper part left side, or depending on you if it is on your right side. So here, right after you put an image, you just need to go to this part and then tap on the scroll section and then put a name here. For example, to that one is, I'm gonna name this one scroll horizontal, so for me to easy to remember. So here it is scroll horizontal, and then go to this option. So I'm gonna go to this effects and then tap on this one, and then here you can see appear, hover, press, and then tap on the scroll transform, and then in the trigger part, guys, choose the part on scroll, so here, or the section in view. So in this tutorial, let's choose the section and view, and then the viewport depending on you guys. So on this section, guys, select the one that we made a while ago, which is the scroll horizontal. And then here, guys, you need to adjust the opacity, the scale, the rotation, the skew, and then of course, guys, is the offset. So depending on you guys, so here, as you can see here, the image is moving to the left side depending on your offset, guys. So once you scroll there, that is their limit, guys. Then here, I'm also gonna adjust this one. So this is opposite of the one. So as you can see here, it is moving, guys. So of course, guys, to make the scrolling experience even more dynamic, let's add animations there. You can select individual elements inside the scroll frame and then apply motion effects such as fade in, scaling, or the parallax scrolling. Then use scrolling variants to make elements changes as users scroll horizontally. And then adjust the timing and then the duration for the best user experience. Don't forget, guys, to optimize your horizontal scroll for the mobile devices. And that's it, guys. You've successfully added a horizontal scrolling section to your Framer project. Here, guys, you can now upload and save your website. This effect can make your website more engaging and visually appealing. And if you found this tutorial helpful, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Framer tips. And if you have any question, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!